What's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be giving you guys a tour of my room for fall with all my fall decorations and everything. I love fall so much. It's finally starting to feel like fall where I live, and it's just, yes, it's amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video, and before we get started, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe down there by hitting the big red button, and let's just get straight on with the video. So right here on my bed I have these pillows. So these gold arrow pillows I actually made. This pillow is from Hobby Lobby. It's just white, and then in gold it says Harvest. And yeah, I just really liked it, especially since my walls are purple. I wanted to do more neutral colors and not do so much of like orange and red and stuff, although I do still do some of that. I wanted to do like gold and white more. And then also I have my teddy bear over here, Warbud's. His name is Bear, but his formal name is Mr. Fuzzy. And then I also have these fairy lights on my headboard, and I think they're from Hobby Lobby also. Yeah, they're really cute, and I really like how they look for fall. They just make everything feel all cozy and stuff. Okay, so now I have this sign right here because at the beginning of the year, our parents wanted us to think of a word that we wanted to like work on for this year, or something that like we wanted to have this year, whatever. So my word was joy, so I have my little thing right there. Then I have my chalkboard, and with my quote, which you guys saw in my decorating video, it says, "Oh fall, it's nice to see you again," and it has some leaf doodles, and Abby, who is present, actually did some of these. This chalkboard I think is from Walmart. Okay, so then this thing with the leaves right here I made also. I just got this stick from my backyard, and then I took pieces of twine and I like glued the leaves on there. I got these leaves from Hobby Lobby. I just put glitter on them to make them look better.
Hey guys, I'm doing this secret tweet. I just want to say I'm awesome, and Zoe is awesome. Okay, bye. Alright, we're rolling.
Okay, so on my shelf up here I have this like orange flower that my mom actually gave me from like the shoe thing she got. And then I have this candle right here. It's called Rustic Fall, and it's really pretty. It has all these pretty leaves on it. And I have this cross right here that says thankful, and a fake leaf. So then over here I have these fake leaves, and I have this white pumpkin from Hobby Lobby, and this pine cone right here, and then another fake leaf, and this is from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so on my bedside table I have this lamp that used to be my sister's. I think it's probably from Hobby Lobby. It's just silver, and it has these like clear ball looking things. And then I have my radio, which I don't actually use anymore. Sometimes use it for my alarm, but yeah. And then I have this picture right here of me and my kitty, and it's so cute and I love it. And then right here I have this little white pumpkin, which is from Hobby Lobby, and these little pine cone things that are from Walmart. This fake leaf is from Hobby Lobby, and I'm not sure where this one is from, but I really like it. Okay, so on my bookshelf right here I have this little white pumpkin, and it says blessed in gold, and it has a gold stem. That's from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this fake leaf that I don't know where it's from. So on my desk right here I have my planner and this calendar that you just like take the little tag off, and you can like make it whatever day it is. And then right here I have this little bitty white pumpkin. It's from Hobby Lobby, surprise surprise. And then I have this pencil holder right here that I made.
I have this pencil holder right here that I made.
Oh, well, he's gone. I made like a long time ago. It says leaves on it and some twine. This planner is a happy planner that I got from Mardell. Okay, and then right here I have this calendar with a picture of cute little puppies. Oh, apparently it's a corgi mix.
I want it.
And this pumpkins, and it says the secret of getting ahead is getting started by Mark Twain. Wise words, Mark Twain. Good job. And yeah, it's just a calendar for October. I don't really know where it's from, but my grandpa gave it to me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down there by hitting the big red button so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!